What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that active now status on Instagram. We all need a privacy, right? Well, I'm here to help you out. Let's jump right in. First things first, once you have opened up your Instagram app, head over to your profile. Just tap on the profile picture at the bottom menu to get started. Once you are in your profile page, look for the three-lined menu at the top right corner and tap on it. From there, you are in your settings and activity area. Now scroll down till you find messages and story replies. Tap on it, and here you can see there's a show activity status. Tap on it. Now here's the main event. Tap show activity status or toggle next to it. This will instantly disable your activity status. No more active now notifications for you. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off your active now status. Now enjoy your newfound privacy. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.